Hi guys, I'm Yosef, and welcome to YouTube Bear Channel. Today's topic is how to add channel tags on YouTube 2021. So first, we'll start with why add tags to a YouTube channel. YouTube's algorithm works in such a way that it tries to connect the content of the channel to the right viewer, and in order to do that it needs information about the channel. Which is why YouTubers at first don't get a lot of views. Because YouTube's algorithm has not yet figured out who the channel's right audience is. Adding tags to a channel will help the algorithm to send you your target audience. Of course, this alone is not enough. If you want to know about more ways to properly communicate with the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to my channel and I promise to upload every week more tools that will help you succeed on YouTube the right way. Okay, after we explain why it is important to add tags to your YouTube channel, I will show you how to do it. Enter your channel. After that, click on Video Management. After that, you will click on the settings on the right. In the window that opens, click on a channel. And here you can add tags to the channel. If you like the video and it helped you, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to the channel for my bear.